Need to edit documents or crunch numbers on your phone. WPS Office is your solution. It's all in one office suite for your mobile device, handling Word, Excel, and more. Its initiative powerful and compatible with all standard office formats. With WPS, view documents easily. All formatting tools are there. Just like on a desktop, the Sheet app is a robust. Click on just to go to your Google Play Store to download your WPS. Then click WPS. Alright, which have 500 millions downloads. Just download this one. Guys, the app is robust. The spreadsheets, editors, input data, apply formulas, create charts. It's perfect for simple list or complex calculations. Your work is safe and shareable, integrating with cloud services, access files anywhere, anytime. Stop limiting your productivity. WPS Office gives you a full office suite in your pocket. It's free for Android and iOS. You can download it from Google Play Store and Apple Store. To open and use, just click on sign in with Google, then select one of your Google account to continue. I hope this tutorial helped you, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.